Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing a deeper catch-up on Shrinkhala Khatiwada, once celebrated as Miss Nepal, Harvard grad, activist, architect. But now, she's part of a controversy that's got a lot of people unfollowing her. So, what actually happened? And where is she now? Let's break it all down. Shrinkhala Khatiwada won Miss Nepal World in 2018, made it to the top 12 at Miss World, and was praised for her beauty with a purpose work. She studied architecture, then went on to complete her master's in urban planning. She's been known for combining education, advocacy, and a polished public image. In September 2025, Shrinkhala found herself at the center of an online backlash tied to Nepal's Nepo Kid movement. Many Gen Z Nepalis criticize children of political elites for flaunting wealth, while the rest of the country is dealing with rising inflation, economic hardship, and corruption. Shrinkhala, as the daughter of a former health minister and provincial parliamentarian, was called out for her luxurious lifestyle, foreign travel, designer goods, high-fashion posts, lavish visuals. Some of the key points of criticism. People say she's been mostly silent about ongoing protests and political grievances, even as others her age are demanding accountability. She was accused of using her privilege, family background, education, lifestyle, without speaking up about the struggles of ordinary people. Her social media following took a hit. Reports say she lost tens of thousands of followers over a short period. The tone online shifted. Fans who once admired her began calling her out for perceived hypocrisy and detachment. Where is Shrinkhala Khatiwada now? As of now, Shrinkhala Khatiwada is still living in Kathmandu, Nepal. She continues working in architecture and urban planning, engages in advocacy and social causes, and takes part in brand partnerships. She's also married as of December 2023. Despite the backlash, she hasn't fully disappeared, but her social media strategy appears more cautious. She's facing increasingly vocal critiques, especially from young people expecting public figures to speak up. Shrinkhala's journey highlights how much public expectation has changed, especially in Nepal. Luxury and privilege alone are no longer enough. People want transparency, action, accountability. Losing followers over a lifestyle isn't just about envy, it's about what kind of voices society demands. What do you think? Should public figures like her address these issues directly? Or is it unfair to expect that from someone just for their family background? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you like this update, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. There's more unpacking of stories like this coming soon. Until next time, stay thoughtful and stay real.